It's Professor Andrews. I'm going to show you the setup for the physics of the pendulum. Again, we don't have everything in the lab manual, so we're improvising. So instead of having a lab stand at home, I have a stack of books at home. I've used those to secure my ruler, my small ruler. I get in here close and you can see that I have twisted around and done weird things to the paper clip so that the paper clip can hang a string, and at the bottom of the string we see the pendulum. Okay, so it's hanging freely, and that's what our experimental setup will look like. There's one other piece. You need to attach a protractor. So I've printed out the printable protractor. Here it is, printed it on paper, and then I folded it, and now I'm going to cut it out and you'll see why. So here it is. The paper protractor has been printed, and I'm going to stick it on the apparatus with tape by just putting it so that the string hangs down at 0, and I'm putting tape on it, and that will adhere it to the apparatus.